This old guy DIY video has to do with maintaining the spray tips on manual sprayers for weeds and that type of thing. While digging through the barn, I found a sprayer that I hadn't used in about 10 years, and the brass end was seized on it. I couldn't get any fluid to flow through it, and I couldn't twist the end off. So I tightened it up in this little plastic fitting using 2 channel locks, and when I pulled the brass end off, this is what I found. So I guess that's what it looks like when you have Roundup and water and whatever else that dries and just sits in there for 10 or 15 years. Now I'm going to just hit this with brake cleaner, clean the thing up, and I suspect I'll be good as new. This is what the mating piece looks like. I cleaned the threads up with a little bit of brake cleaner and a wire brush, so that looks pretty good. And I took some of this silicone paste and I put that on the O-ring and also the threads. Now I'll reassemble the tip, put it on the sprayer, and I suspect we'll be good for another 20 years. Thank you for watching.